Are you wondering what the best cheap drones with camera are for this year? If so, stay tuned, because by the end of this short video, you'll know exactly which one to choose. Hey guys, it's ARR Reviewer, and in today's video, we're going to check out the top 5 best cheap drones with camera in 2020 on AliExpress. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Listed number 5, SCOTPALY Profession Drone. Left-hand throttle transmitter mode. About 100 to 200 meters control distance. 3.7 volts 1500 mAh lithium quadcopter battery. 3x AAA battery transmitter battery. About 25 minutes flying time. About 70 to 90 minutes charging time. With altitude hold mode function provides stable flight. With Wi-Fi function can be connected APK system to take pictures, video, real-time transmission through the phone camera image. With attractive headless mode, completely solving loss of orientation problems. 2.4 GHz radio control, easy adjust frequency. 6-axis gyroscope, strong stability, easily implement various flight movements, stronger wind resistance, easier to control. 360 degrees 3D flips, continuous roll. Fly both indoor and outdoor. There have 4 version can be choose. Basic version without camera, 0.3 MP camera, 1080p camera, 4K camera. Video, photograph, raise and down, forwards and backwards, left and right turning, left and right flying, hovering, 360 degree rotating, set height function. Listed number 4, Teeggi E59 FPV drone. Wi-Fi control to realize real-time transmission for live video by pairing the mobile app to the drone Wi-Fi. Makes the operation more convenient. 1 key taking off, landing. The plane can find the way home easily with 1 key automatic return function. Can capture and record every beautiful and unforgettable moment. Wide-angle camera. Provide convenient operation and stable flight, especially for beginners. Altitude hold. Completely solving pilot loss of orientation problems. Headless mode. Forward, backward, up, down, left, right side fly, left, right turning, hovering, 1 key takeoff, landing, headless mode, altitude hold, 1 key return, Wi-Fi control, photo, video function. 2.4G remote control. 4K or 1080p or 0.3 MP wide-angle camera. About 80 meters control distance. 3.7 volts 1000 mAh LiPo battery. 3x AAA battery for controller. About 90 minutes charging time. 13 to 115 minutes working time. It has 4.7 out of 5 start rating and 681 customer reviews. Listed number 3 Selfie Global Drone. Equipped with real-time Wi-Fi transmission 4K HD camera, you can enjoy a live video and snap wonderful photos as you fly and watch the view from the air, all directly from your mobile device with the Wi-Fi via app. The drone for beginners offers altitude hold and optical flow to remain stably, which makes the drone more easily to control and capture high-definition photos or videos. Simply make specific gestures and the drone can take photos and videos automatically, making more fun while playing. Come with powerful 3.7 volts 1200 mAh modular batteries. The drone for beginners can fly up to 12 minutes with a fully charged battery, so you can enjoy lots of fun and explore wider operation area. Modular design ensures the safety of charge and storage, easy to connect and take out, protect the battery from external damage. 4 LED lights power indicator shows the remaining battery level. You can easily control the RC quadcopter with various functions: 1 key takeoff, landing, altitude hold, headless modes, 3D flips, R mode, speed modes, emergency stop and so on. You will not have to worry about orientation and your camera drone will rise to a height or land with the simple press a button, perfect for beginners, indoors or outdoors. 100 to 130 minutes charging time. 80 to 100 meters RC distance. 720 pixel 1080 pixel 4K HD camera. 50 to 70 meters Wi-Fi distance. Up, down, forward, backward, turn left, right, sideward flight, 3-level flight speed, LED light, trajectory flight, altitude hold mode, headless mode, 1 key return, 1 key takeoff, landing, Wi-Fi FPV, camera, video function. It has 4.5 out of 5 start rating and 1803 customer reviews. Listed number 2 Teeggi SG-106 drone. About 22 minutes flying time. About 150 into 180 minutes charging time. About 100 meters RC distance. Built-in double 1080p or 4K HD wide-angle camera are tuned amazingly to capture stunning pictures and videos from the sky. Optical flow positioning help the drone achieve great performance in precise location, which ensures a stable flight. With altitude hold mode function provides stable flight. With gesture photo and recording function, make your photography more convincing and wonderful. Track flight, you can draw the flight track you want to on the phone and the quadcopter will fly the line you painting. With Wi-Fi function can be connected app to take pictures, video, real-time transmission through the phone camera image. With headless mode, no need to adjust the position of aircraft before flying. With 1 key to return function makes it easily to find the way home. Smart follow, the drone follows the moving remote control target and performs a function of following. It can realize 3D tumbling 360 degrees in 4 directions with 4 LED lights. 2.4 GHz technology adopted for anti-interference. 4-channel which can do ascend, descend, forward, backward, left sideward fly, right sideward fly and rolling 360 degree. 6-axis gyro which can have more stable flying and be easy to control. 3.7 volts 1600 mAh high capacity battery support, maximum flying times 22 minutes. 2 into AAA battery. The quadcopter fuselage is made of high strength and resistant engineering plastics, lightweight and durable resistance. Up, down, forward, backward, turn left, right, sideward flight, LED light, headless mode, 1 key automatic return, optical flow positioning, track flight, altitude hold mode, gesture photo, gesture video function. Please noted that there is only one camera of the 720p version. The hole in the drone bottom is a reserved hole for the 1080p version dual camera and 4K version dual camera. It is not broken. Also, 720p camera drone app is different with 1080p or 4K camera drone, so you need to scan the different code and download from the other manual, not the app in the user manual. It has 4.8 out of 5 start rating and 2,704 customer reviews. Listed number 1 Eachine E58 drone. 3.7 volts 500 mAh LiPo included battery. 3x1.5 AA battery. 60 to 70 minutes charging time. 7 to 9 minutes flying time. 80 to 100 meters RC distance. With foldable arms, small size, easy to carry. With altitude hold mode function provides stable flight. With Wi-Fi function can be connected app, APK system to take pictures, video, real-time transmission through the phone camera image. There have 2 cameras can be choose. With 2.0 MP 720p wide-angle camera give wide high-definition pictures and video. With headless mode, no need to adjust the position of aircraft before flying. With 1 key to return function makes it easily to find the way home. 2.4 GHz technology adopted for anti-interference. 4-channel which can do ascend, descend, forward, backward, left sideward fly, right sideward fly and rolling 360 degrees. 6 which can have more stable flying and be easy to control. It have 3-level flight speed to switch that can make more fun with the flying. The quadcopter fuselage is made of high strength and resistant engineering plastics, lightweight and durable resistance. Up, down, forward, backward, turn left, right, sideward flight, 3-level flight speed, LED light, headless mode, 1-key automatic return, altitude hold mode, Wi-Fi FPV function. It has 4.6 out of 5 start rating and 3,614 customer reviews. If you want to buy best cheap drones with camera in 2020 on AliExpress, link in the description below. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share and leave a comment. To get more storage solution videos like this, hit the like and subscribe button and leave a comment below to let me know what you'd like to see next.